Have you ever been involved in a car accident caused by a drunk driver? You're not alone. Each year, thousands of victims suffer due to others' reckless decisions on the road. Today, we'll break down exactly how to file a lawsuit against a drunk driver and seek the compensation you deserve. First, let's start by understanding your rights. If a drunk driver has caused your injuries, you have the legal right to file a lawsuit not just for your medical expenses, but also for lost wages, pain, suffering, and more. Remember, this isn't just about compensation, it's about holding the drunk driver accountable. Step 1 in filing a lawsuit is gathering evidence. The more evidence you have, the stronger your case will be. Here's what you should collect. Police report. After the accident, a police report will document the details, including the driver's intoxication level. Medical records. Keep a record of all your medical evaluations and treatment. These documents prove your injuries and link them to the accident. Photos and videos. If possible, take photos of the accident scene, vehicle damage, and your injuries. Dashcam footage can be critical too. Witness statements. Get contact details from witnesses. Their testimony can be valuable evidence. Next, you'll want to hire a personal injury lawyer who specializes in drunk driving cases. Why? Because they understand the laws specific to DUI accidents and can navigate the legal system more effectively than going at it alone. A good lawyer will help you file the lawsuit on time, negotiate with insurance companies, and ensure maximum compensation. Now comes the crucial step, filing the lawsuit. Here's what happens next. Filing the complaint. Your lawyer will draft and file a complaint, detailing your case, injuries, and the damages you're seeking, serving the defendant. Once the complaint is filed, it must be officially delivered to the drunk driver, now the defendant. Discovery phase. Both sides gather additional evidence, interview witnesses, and prepare for trial. This phase can be lengthy, so be patient. Settlement negotiations. Often the case will settle before trial. Your lawyer will negotiate with the drunk driver's insurance or legal team, going to trial. If negotiations fail, your case goes to trial, where a judge or jury decides the outcome. Here are some final tips to strengthen your case. Be consistent with your medical treatment. Gaps in treatment can weaken your claim. Avoid discussing the case on social media. Anything you post can be used against you. Trust your lawyer's advice and stay informed about your case's progress. Filing a lawsuit against a drunk driver can be a long, challenging process, but it's a crucial step toward justice. Remember, you don't have to face it alone. If you've been a victim of a drunk driving accident, reach out to us for a free consultation. Together we can fight for your rights. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help others who may need this information.